Alright, I'm making this video for all those that are having trouble with their turn signal light that won't retract or turn off when you turn, or finish the turn I should say. I've noticed a lot of people have this problem. I myself had the problem at once. So I'm going to show you how to fix it and or know what's wrong. Alright, well I have NRG set up, so I'm pretty sure it's the same, just as long as you do it has the same parts, which it should. I took off everything already, as you can see. Right here you can see the little, let me see, guys, zoom in. Let me move it. Alright, that little thing for your directional, obviously. That little tab right there, and it should retract every time that hits it. So it will say you're turning left, your steering will simulate a left turn, and once you turn it back, it should retract it. So to fix this problem, right here there's two tabs, this one and this one. There's two, and there's also, well, for example, my NRG, it has two openings right here and up here. You would basically put this as straight as you can. Obviously leave your wheel straight before you do this, so you know where top is. In our NRGs, they have a little dot, so you put it straight in. And as soon as you do that, obviously put in all the hardware. Put in all the hardware. I'm just gonna, hold on, I'm just gonna put 2 bolts, just so you guys could, oh sorry. Oh. Alright. Sorry for the sucky video, guys. I'm doing it by myself and it's kind of hard. Alright, I'm just gonna put 2 little bolts real quick just to show you guys that it works. I know I didn't tighten it. I'm just gonna do it so I can show you guys real quick, because I'm gonna do other stuff in a bit. Alright. I'm pretty sure the OEM or any OEM aftermarket other than the Prelude have the same thing. So, alright, here it is. Left turn, you can hear the little click, then when you go back, it should retract, and that's it. There you go, guys. Hopefully this helped, and hopefully you guys can fix your turn signals. Thanks. Stay looting.